Welcome to getbaby.info. In this video, we will learn about
very early signs of pregnancy. Do you know the 15 early signs of pregnancy?
So you think you are pregnant, but you aren't completely sure? After reading this article, you should have a pretty good idea of whether or not you are pregnant. Today we are discussing the 15 most common signs of pregnancy to help you out. The more symptoms that you have, the higher the chances are that you are pregnant. But just showing evidence of these signs does not mean that you are pregnant.
1. Missing a period. This is one of the most obvious signs of pregnancy, but it isn't 100% foolproof.
2. Just feeling pregnant. Women, even those that have never been pregnant, can have a feeling of just being pregnant. It is part of women's intuition.
3. Breast tenderness. A lot of women will find that their breasts become very tender to touch. Even some tighter fitting bras will hurt a pregnant woman.
4. Fatigue. When a woman becomes pregnant, she will become increasingly tired.
5. Frequent urination. Because the baby lays right on top of the bladder, the pressure on the bladder increases, causing the pregnant woman to urinate more often.
6. Nausea. Early pregnancy causes the woman's stomach to become unstable, and nausea and vomiting will occur very early in pregnancy.
7. Dizziness and fainting. If you exert yourself by overwalking, going up and down stairs, you will find yourself becoming dizzy and possibly fainting in the early stages of pregnancy.
8. Food cravings and/or aversions to food. A really common sign to pregnancy is cravings of certain foods, even odd combinations of foods, or being totally disgusted by a certain type of food.
9. Sensitivity to aromas. Early on in pregnancy, women will find themselves becoming overly sensitive to aromas, often causing cravings of foods, as mentioned in the last symptom.
10. Morning sickness. Most pregnant women will find in the early stages of pregnancy that they become sick in the mornings, or when they first wake up.
11. Heartburn and/or constipation. An easy early sign of pregnancy that occurs in a lot of women is heartburn and constipation. It's caused by the swelling of organs putting pressure on the stomach.
12. Mood swings and irritability. Women catch a lot of grief for this one, but mood swings and becoming easily irritated are very common, especially in the early stages of pregnancy when women are getting used to the feeling of being pregnant.
13. High body temperature. Pregnant women tend to become hotter, even if it is freezing outside. Being pregnant will raise your body temperature.
14. Lower back pain. Adding the extra weight around the midsection puts a lot of strain on the lower back, and depending on how you lay in bed can really increase the amount of pain you suffer from.
15. Implantation bleeding. One of the less known symptoms is bleeding from the uterus as the egg implants itself. During the fertilization period, it can occur 3 to 6 days after fertilization occurs.
So there you have 15 of the most common 15 very early signs of pregnancy. We hope that you can get helpful information from this video. Please like, share video and subscribe our channel.
Getbaby.info. You can get pregnant in 2 months or less.